Oh, alright, you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. I came across PEV not too long ago. I usually don't like trading something, that doesn't really have too much of a history. However, let me tell you why PEV may be a little bit different, okay? This is a daily, okay? You could see that the bull flag comes... Now, remember, I do body to body, not wick to wick. But we come right down to kind of like in the area that we're at right now. On the daily, the RSI is oversold a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take this down and kind of give you guys a brief overview. Okay, so it's actually a very, very simple business model. Alright, so basically what they're doing, by the looks of it, is they're buying Ford rolling chassis and bodies. And then all they're doing is just going ahead and sticking in, like, EV-related, like an EV-related powertrain. But every single one, it's like, it's a Ford rolling chassis and body. Oh, and they do forklifts. Okay, let's see here. Products. So, I mean, basically, it would be about, like, fleets. Now, read this. This is regarding, like, the holy grail of EVs, aka hydrogen fuel cells. They just made a purchase from Altergy regarding hydrogen fuel cells. So, you would have to assume that, what they're doing, by the looks of it, is they're just going ahead and purchasing these rolling chassis and bodies from Ford, which may in turn help Ford as well, but that's a completely separate issue, okay? But then they're going to go ahead and they're going to use hydrogen fuel cells in order to power them and, kind of like fit into the, fit into that, that powertrain. As far as the company's outline goes, we are talking about a market cap of $51 million, with only 10.91% of the company on float. That comes down to 2.14 million shares. Yes, I know. A little bit crazy, but it's a low overhead business, okay? They just acquired the hydrogen fuel cells, and honestly, they could have a licensing deal with Ford, for all I know, and they could be barely paying for any of this until afterwards, which would make them very profitable very quickly. Just throwing that out there because this one has been one that everybody has been sleeping on. Yeah, but I mean, you guys see it, bull flag right there, and now we're just kind of waiting to see what happens. But keep in mind the turnover rate has been ridiculously low, okay, along with the volume. It makes you kind of think, But hey, I'm not a financial advisor. Please like, sub, share. I mean, hell, look at my previous uploads. It's all about finding these gems for me. But hey, I hope I catch you on the next live stream. Later, guys.